Hello guys, I hope you are doing fine amidst the COVID-19 crisis. So, the Coursera, a multinational learning platform, online learning platform, has decided to make a large number of its courses free for the students who have been stranded at home due to the ongoing crisis. So, let's look at how we can enroll for the free courses at Coursera. One thing you must remember is that you must open the Coursera site from a desktop browser, not from phone, because in the phone browser there tends to be a lot of problems. So my request is that you may open it from your laptop or desktop browser and create the Coursera account and sign in with Google account or anything else, and you must be signed in to your account to do the things. So let's look at the courses Coursera has provided. There are courses for college students, mental health, well-being, etc. Let's look at one of these. So when I come into the wellness and courses of Coursera, I can see that there are a number of courses which are free. Life of happiness and fulfillment, healing with arts, and they're all from prestigious universities across the world. The thing with Coursera is that they provide free courses from universities which are very popular and well renowned across the world. So let's look at a course of Life of Happiness and Fulfillment from Indian School of Business. Once the course is loaded, we can look at the details of the course. It says that it's a 31-hour course, 100% online, and there are other details of the course which you can look through when you open the course dashboard. Top reviews, frequently asked questions, and more. There seems to be it seems to be a multiple week course. Okay. Now let's look at how we can enroll for the course. Coursera says that enroll today and get this course for free. The discount will be applied automatically at checkout. Let's go to enroll for free. Purchase course. Your promotion will be applied at checkout. Okay. Now, usually if you try to purchase a course on Coursera, they ask for credit card details and asking you to pay. But when you apply for these courses which have been made free, you see the course certificate, you get a full discount, 100% discount, 2140 minus 2140. It's in Indian rupees, and the course becomes totally free. Get to pay now. Click that option of pay now, and hence the course will be purchased. See, email confirmation has been sent to my mail ID. The course has been purchased properly. Now when I continue into the course, I can look at the course details inside properly. Let's have a look. Week 1 up to week 6, everything has been unlocked. The course is completely available to us for learning, videos, readings, assignments, etc. So we have totally unlocked the course. Apart from that, there are courses for high school students. Let's look at what courses they have. Quite good, in fact. Getting started with music theory, epidemics, pandemics, etc. Okay. College students, technical courses. These are usually for the students in technical domain, engineering, sciences, etc. Algorithms, business, psychology. Now there are interesting courses for the cloud computing, courses for building your cloud technology career. Let's see what courses they have. In fact, they have AWS and Google Cloud courses here for free, which you are welcome to have a look. And I have personally tried a few of these courses, and they're in fact quite well. There are other courses as well, and Coursera has also provided a number of learning resources. I'll provide the link to each of the posts in my YouTube bio. Please have a look and try to understand what Coursera has tried to provide for you. See, this is the proper way of enrolling into the course. You don't need to pay for these courses. Many people were facing problems as they were trying to enroll in these courses through the phone browsers. A request again is that do the process from your PC browser. That will ensure that the process is done properly. I hope you like the video. Please like the video and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I hope it was beneficial. I will try to post similar and better content in the future as well.